Meditation is a journey, and once you have built a regular practice, you might wonder how to take it further. Expanding your mindfulness practice can deepen your experience and bring even more benefits to your life. Here are some simple steps to help you grow your meditation practice. Try different types of meditation. I have found that different forms of meditation resonate with different people. So keep exploring various meditation techniques to discover which one suits you best. If you have been practicing just one type, like focusing on your breath, try exploring other forms. You could try loving kindness meditation, where you send positive thoughts to yourself and others, or body scan meditation, where you focus on different parts of your body. Experimenting with different techniques can also make your practice more engaging and effective. Increase your meditation time. Gradually increasing the time you spend meditating can deepen your practice. If you are used to meditating for 10 minutes a day, try extending it to 20 minutes. Increasing your meditation time can help you experience deeper levels of relaxation and awareness. Practice mindfulness throughout the day. Mindfulness isn't just for meditation sessions. Try bringing mindfulness into your daily activities. Pay full attention to what you are doing, whether it's eating, walking, or even washing the dishes. This helps you stay present and enjoy each moment more fully. Join a meditation group. Practicing with others can bring support and inspiration. Consider joining a local meditation group or subscribing to our YouTube channel. By sharing your experiences and learning from others, you can enrich your practice and stay motivated. Read books on mindfulness. Reading books on mindfulness and meditation can provide new insights and techniques. Authors like John Kabat-Zinn and Thich Nhat Hanh offer valuable guidance and inspiration. Learning from experts can help you understand the deeper aspects of mindfulness. Reflect on your progress. Take a quiet moment to look back on how meditation is influencing your daily life. You might notice subtle but meaningful changes, like feeling less reactive in stressful situations, being more present in everyday moments, or finding it easier to return to calm after getting upset. Even small improvements in your focus, sleep, or emotional balance are signs that your practice is working. These changes may not appear overnight, but they often grow quietly in the background. Make it a habit to reflect once or twice a month. Write down what you notice. This simple practice will help you become more aware of your growth and naturally motivate you to continue. Set new goals. Setting new goals can keep your practice fresh and challenging. Maybe you want to meditate for a longer period, try a new technique, or incorporate mindfulness into a new area of your life. Having clear goals can give you something to strive for and keep you engaged. Conclusion. Expanding your mindfulness meditation practice can bring many benefits and deepen your experience. By trying different types of meditation, increasing your meditation time, practicing mindfulness throughout the day, joining a meditation group, reading books, reflecting on your progress, and setting new goals, you can continue to grow and enjoy the many rewards of mindfulness. May you continue exploring and deepening your mindfulness practice, and may it bring lasting peace, clarity, and joy into your life.